Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking one specific niche where you can deliver value quickly. Validate it by scanning forums, job posts, and keyword interest. Once chosen, set up payment options, PayPal, Stripe, or direct deposit, and run a $1 test to confirm flow. Then build a minimal offering page, one clear headline, 3 benefits, and a direct call to action. This gets you from idea to live offer fast, so you can begin earning and iterating immediately. You now focus on driving targeted traffic and fulfilling orders consistently. Start 3 channels: organic content for SEO, a small paid ad test at $5 per day, and direct outreach messages to potential customers. Once leads arrive, automate onboarding with a short email sequence, instant digital delivery, or scheduled calls so delivery is reliable. Make sure to instrument tracking, conversion rate, cost per click, and retention so you know what scale looks like and where to double down. You finish by scaling what works and fixing what doesn't. Increase ad spend incrementally on profitable campaigns and replicate winning channels. Meanwhile, run a /B tests on headlines, pricing, and checkout steps to remove friction. If results stall, identify the single bottleneck metric, traffic, conversion, or retention, and run a focused 7 to 14-day hypothesis test to address it. Make sure to monitor unit economics so you keep profits healthy while growing steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.